Serious allegations tonight against Fayette County Superintendent Dr. Demetrius Liggins, accused of slipping a manufactured document under the door of a state lawmaker who also works for the district. Allegations that within the past few minutes, his attorney has reached out to us to deny.
Last week, the school board voted unanimously to place Superintendent Dr. Demetrius Liggins on paid administrative leave. Tonight, a new layer to the controversy. Here's what we know.
State Representative and FCPS employee Adrielle Camuel says she found this printed email slid under her office door on May 20th. It appeared to be from Louisville attorney Heather Gatnerick advising Superintendent Dr. Demetrius Liggins on a potential defamation lawsuit, saying in part, quote, "My legal team and I appreciated the opportunity to meet with you and have formally begun personal and professional representation regarding the escalating pattern of defamatory statements, false accusations, and damaging communications that have been made publicly against you," end quote. Camuel shared the letter with her own attorney, Hannah Wilson, who immediately saw red flags.
At first glance, it just didn't look like anything that an attorney would put together, just knowing how attorneys write. The way that it was drafted or constructed, you might say, was a red flag. But then we noticed that the email for the attorney whose name Dr. Liggins forged was different than the email on that attorney's public firm website.
We reached out to law firm Kaplan, Johnson, Abate, and Bird. They told us, quote, Heather Gatnerick did not author the email included in the stories, nor did any other attorney at this firm. The firm has never represented or offered any advice to Dr. Liggins, end quote.
This was not a real communication. It was not a real attorney-client privileged communication. It was a threat.
Let's talk about this alleged threat. Why do you see it that way?
It's no secret that she has been very vocal about what is going on in Fayette County Public Schools with their financial situation and also the failures of leadership to address that situation effectively.
Wilson says Camuel reported the alleged legal threat to the district on June 5th. Days later, Liggins emailed Board Chair Tyler Murphy saying it was time to step away and pursue a separation agreement. Instead, as we reported last week, the board voted to keep him on leave pending review of his employment.
Somebody has to take accountability for this behavior. I think it's just plainly indefensible. And so I suppose we will see what justice looks like.
Now, in the last hour, we heard back from Liggins attorney C. Ed Massey. He told us, quote, "I've spoken with Dr. Liggins. He completely denies the letter was fabricated by him. Additionally, he indicated the video where he appears to slip a paper under the door is unrelated to the so-called fabricated document. At this time, Dr. Liggins has no access to his email or documents that are in the control and possession of the Fayette County School Board. We are fully cooperating with District Council and will cooperate with any investigation. The letter could have been fabricated by anyone, given the tensions in the district. I have advised my client to follow the process, and we will continue to communicate with counsel in an attempt to bring this matter to quick resolution."